Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Today we're doing a quick unboxing and brief look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and let you all know how these feel when you put them in your ears. So these are also known as the beans for their unique design that kind of resembles a kidney bean. These are on sale right now for $169 and they come in 3 colors: Mystic White, Mystic Bronze, and Mystic Black. Samsung is all about the Mystics this year. Back of the box, Samsung says these have an ergonomic fit. They're promising between 6 and 21 hours of playtime. The Buds actually have a triple mic setup for crystal clear calling, and they're giving you active noise cancellation. These are also tuned by AKG. Alright, let's check them out. So right off the bat, in the box, we have the Buds right here. Guessing these are your charging cords. Nothing else in there. Empty. And in here, got your usual books. Just your quick start guide and stuff. Do with that what you will. Standard USB Type-C. The case will charge wirelessly. It's really small. Smaller than the Galaxy Buds from last year. So that'll wirelessly charge. And then inside the case, voila! Labeled left and right, in case you forget. So, my initial thoughts on the Buds Live. First of all, the case is very small. And that is really cool. It could be a good thing. Let's compare it to the case of the Buds from last year. So the case from last year from the Buds was definitely small. The case from this year's Buds Live is even smaller. And while that probably is a good thing, overall, as far as holding it and gripping it, it seems like this one was a little bit easier to kind of grip and hold. This one is just a little bit harder, and you definitely have to watch it so you don't drop it. Now, for the Buds themselves, they definitely have that bean shape. This part actually goes in your ear. At first, when I was trying to put it on, I was trying to kind of rest it in my ear like that. But this part actually goes in your ear, in there. And this part is the part that's resting outside. Well, still in your ear, but you know, this is resting on the outer inner part of your ear, and this one goes inside. So these things are definitely small. Just taking it out of here, out of the charging case, I already dropped it. Not very far, just kind of fumbled it. But you definitely want to make sure your hands are dry, like no lotion or anything like I just put on, because these things are very easy to fumble. and loose for that matter. So you definitely want to make sure that you put them straight in your ear. They are a little bit slippery and they are so tiny. Look at that. Hard to believe they fit all that tech in these little bitty tiny beans. So let's compare them with last year's galaxybuds. Also have to make sure you get them in the charger right. And see, and that will charge them. Oops. See? Already, got it in the wrong way. Oops. Whoa. So there is a magnet in here, so when you get it close, it does kind of pull it on there, but it goes like that. So it does charge it. You can wirelessly charge the case or plug the USB-C into the case to charge the case with the buds in or without the buds, and then the case is charged, so as soon as you put your buds back in the case, it starts to charge the buds. Green means you're good. So let's compare them to last year's galaxybuds. So this is last year's galaxybuds, and this is the Buds Live. Oops. Oops. Stay open. There we go. There's a comparison. The Buds Live are definitely smaller, for sure. The original buds were never big to me. And putting them in your ear, I'll put one in the left ear and one in the right. So they both do feel pretty good. I hope I'm not talking too loud. You definitely can tell the noise cancellation on the buds right away, on the Buds Live right away. It feels like, all right, let me take these out. Okay, so it feels like the galaxybuds from last year, they seem to rest in your ear a little bit better. Obviously this part goes in your inner ear and this part is sitting on the outside. So it feels like, at least just for wearing it for a second, it feels like since you have this larger part on the out that fits in your ear, as your ear holds this in, that you don't have to put this as deep into your ear, which for me feels more comfortable, because I don't like earplugs or too much stuff like deep in my ear. Who does? But just initially from wearing them for a second, again, I'm gonna do a full review after I have time to wear them for more than a minute. It feels like the Buds Live has to go a lot deeper in your ear. And when I say a lot, I mean, you know, not too much further, but see, if you just look at them compared, if you look at that, and then you look at that. So all this is inside of your ear compared to all this that's in your ear. So it's more. It's a little bit further in there, and you can feel that. Now, it's still very, very comfortable, for sure. It's definitely comfortable. But compared to last year's buds, which are now, I think, I don't know, $99 compared to $169, you may want to try it out first and see what's more comfortable for you. Like I said, I'm gonna keep them both and see what happens, and then come back with a full review, but just initially, it feels like last year's feel just a little bit more comfortable, but you know, we'll save the final review for later. Both are nice, both are amazing, but the best part about this year's galaxybuds is the noise cancellation, the 3 mics, and just the additional technology that Samsung's put inside of these. Definitely an upgrade from last year, but as far as comfort, if you're looking for comfort, these are going to go a little bit further in your ear. And it's funny because they do say that these are designed not to feel like earplugs, but to me, they feel a little like earplugs, but you know, everybody's ear is different, so we'll see. Mileage will vary. So, all right. So this has been just a quick unboxing and initial preview of the Buds Live and just seeing how they feel, how they fit. Let us know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming Samsung reviews. We'll also be reviewing the Galaxy Watch 3, the Note 20, the Fold 2, so don't miss any of that. Thanks so much for watching, friends. We really appreciate you. Have an amazing day and never stop questing. Peace.